Your location is not actually the problem, but a connection to your location is the problem. Yes, your location may not actually be the problem why you are having low sales, why you are having low patronage from people around you, but a connection to the area, your location. Let me explain. Once again, this is Palm Study Academy. Do you want to grow a laundry business, or do you wish to become a major laundry owner that have brand everywhere, or you are having the expression in your heart that one day I'll become a laundry personnel, I like this business, so a passive income business, so then this channel is for you. Subscribe to my channel, go to my YouTube channel and subscribe also. There's some video I've got there that will help you from beginning to scratch. You want to have the idea about the laundry business, I drop tips on how to grow your laundry business from beginning to any maximum height you wish to go. So this channel is made specially for you. Share my video to other people so that this channel can go global and others may benefit from it also. Or you have somebody who is there, who is running the laundry business but is having low turn up, no financial strategy, no tips on how to do this, all of that. Take this to subscribe to Palm Study Academy, and then we will be able to give them a top-notch answer. If you are there, you want to be a part of this academy, drop in the comment section that I am interested, and then I will get back to you and attend to you. Once again, you are welcome. Let's continue. Your location is sometimes not the problem, but a connection to the location. What does that mean? Is that some of you are doing laundry business in your community or in that place, but nobody know you. Why? Because probably you are working elsewhere. Probably you are the one that you don't like the association. No. Business is targeted to be associable. Yes, sociable, associable, and all of that. That is how business lives. Whether your enemy is that one is your enemy because he's patronizing you, give you money in your pocket, he's becoming your friend. So when time for enemy come. So associate with your location, the guys around, the babes around, the men around, the women around. Look at them, know them, meet them one-on-one. Sir, I do business here. This is my card. Have a complimentary card. This is my card. Make a banner, put it there in different location, place it in the wall, place it in compounds. They will know that you are branding. Go where people are gathering. Look with them, I build, side build. On those notes, you are associating with your location. You are connecting with the area. Maybe you come to the new environment and you don't know anything about them, and you say, no, they will not come to meet you like that. You first of all make the step, take a step forward, meet them, connect with them, and then secondly again, what are people saying in your environment? You are not the first laundry person in that place. The others around, people be saying one or two things. You can't really try you, and then they come early, if they buy people close, if they fetch people close. Those things that people are saying, it's your own to achieve on, to work on, maximize on them. On that note, to be able to win the majority of the compass yourself. They are complaining that laundry people spread their clothes. This will not be wears clothes. My wife scattered, my leg crinkle, this and that. On this, what you are hearing now is what you now begin to develop on yourself on. Your equipment, work on them. To be like this, work on them. On those notes, you're going to buy the market algorithm from your location. Yes, I make a video about how to win the market algorithm. Check my YouTube channel. You will know many things about those videos. That's how it is. So you may have the best location, may have a student environment. Your business is a GRA. When your boys there, the Buga boys, so those. You know those boys like me, they are there. You don't associate with them. So like, they'll come with me. No! Boss Alpha, I tell you, hey, Shamo, the boss himself, I agree to, boss, I agree to, I didn't mean, anyway, your boys, I do that thing for you, everyone up on the eyes move. That's how it is. You enter there, hey, boss lady, it's fine girl, angel, how you fight? Those things you are just saying, you are speaking, you are winning their heart, you are putting them to yourself. So long as mine, you handshake, you are like a deal with them. So that's how you can be able to enter the environment, the location. That's how it is. So work on it and then give me a feedback in the comment section if it goes well with you. And if you are there, you want to be a part of the academy, put in the comment section that I'm interested to be part of only business, and then I'll get back to you. See you next week and bye.